Yummy Kitchen and wishing you a very happy new year. Also, I hope this new year brings us prosperity and makes us a corona-free world to live in. So the first step to make the chocolate bombs is to melt the chocolate. Here I have 120 ml of white chocolate. We'll just put that in the clear bowl. We have to continuously stir the chocolate. We have to be very careful in this step not to burn the chocolate, so we have to keep the flame low and we have to keep stirring it. So after melting the chocolate, we have to put it in our silicone mold to make the cocoa bomb. So I am using a silicone brush here and I will just apply on the mold. Now we have to set the chocolate in the freezer for 10 minutes. So after taking them out of the freezer, we have to remove the spheres from the mold, and this is a very tricky part, just be careful. Just take it out one by one. Like that. And do that with all of the spheres. So the spheres are ready and now we will fill them up with interesting things like, first I will add some vegetarian marshmallows. I literally love marshmallows so much as they're sweet and fluffy. Next is the cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon. And last is the sprinkles. So that's done. So I filled the spheres. Now we will seal them. To seal them, here I've taken a hot saucepan. I put the white chocolate on top of that, and as you can see, it starts to melt. And then we'll quickly put that on top of the brown chocolate. And it's even sealed now. So I've done the process with all of the spheres and they are ready. So now I'll take some hot milk in a clear glass. So I'll just put it in a glass. So I'll just take a spoon and very gently put it inside. Whew, that was hard. And then put some hot milk on top. Milk is ready. I'll just pour in the milk. And it will melt. Oh my god. And all the marshmallow has come up. And I'll just mix it now. Delicious. So my milk with hot chocolate bombs is ready and it's so cold here. I just want to devour it. Tastes amazing.